welcome back. Today we're taking this car and we're gonna go over to the creek that's over there. And we're gonna go drive this on the ice because we don't want to sacrifice the really nice cars that we have because we already destroyed the other one and we forgot to record it. So, it's very cool.
One eternity later.
We're driving. I already have my learner's permit. Make sure you like and subscribe. Click the video up here where we dig a hole for 2 days. And yeah, well, that's a wrap, guys. See you later, YouTube.